Hello once more, welcome to Z Lessons. In today's video, I would like us to solve this question from the 2023 Paper 2 Mathematics Grade 9 past paper prepared by the Examination Council of Zambia. So you can locate this question on question 1b. Let us read out the question together. Divide 110111 base 2 by 101 base 2. Giving your answer in base 2, and this question carries 2 marks. So that is the question. We have to divide this number into that number. So we are going to approach this as we would normally when we are dividing numbers in base 10. First of all, we start by dividing this number, which is 101, into 1. So what is 101 into 1? It cannot go in there because clearly this is a small number that we are dividing into. Then let us add another 1 here to make it 1, 1. So what is 101 into 1, 1? Also cannot go into there. Why? Because this is a small number. This has 3 digits and this has 2 digits. Let us add another number, which is a 0, to make it 110. So what is 101 into 110? The answer is 1. Now, I know that some of you may become confused as to how do you know that this number can go into this number. Let me write these numbers here, 110 and 101, to just demonstrate what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to say 101 and then I'm going to write 110. So now, between these two numbers, how do you know that this one is bigger than the other? First of all, you must look at the placements of the ones. These digits here. If there are more digits, the ones are more to the left side than to the right side. That means that the number is bigger. So as you can see, this number here has a 1, then a 0, then a 1. But this number has 1, 1. That means that this number is bigger than this one because of how we count numbers in any base. So let me start with writing. So this is how we count numbers in bases. It starts with a 0, then a 1. That 1 becomes a 0. Now since 1 is the biggest number in base 2, it becomes a 0. Then we add a 1 to its left. Then again, to find the next number, we should turn this 0 into a 1, so it will become 1, 1. Now, since these all numbers have become 1s, which are the highest digits in base 2, we have to turn them both into 0s. Then we add a 1 to the left, as you can see. Then to find the next digit, we have to write a 1 at the right side, the far right side. This 0 becomes a 1, so it's going to be 1, 0, 1. To find the next number, since this 1 is the highest digit, we have to turn it into a 0. Then we add 1 to its left, so it's going to be 1, 1, 0. As you can see, that's the movement. If we continue going on and on, you'll find that this 0 has to be turned into a 1. So it's going to be 1, 1, 1, and so on and so forth. So if you were to compare between 101 and 110, you will notice that this 111 is here, 101 is here, then this 110 is here. So clearly, this number is bigger than this number. Therefore, that's the reason why we are saying that this number here, 101, can go into 110. So it goes in there how many times? 1 time. So we indicate a 1 just on top of the number. Okay? Then we multiply. What is 1 times 101? 1 times 101, it is 101. I would suggest that when writing, you start from writing here, then you go towards the left. That way you won't make a mistake, and so on. Then we subtract. Okay. Now, what is 0 minus 1? 0 minus 1, we cannot have negatives here. So what do we do in this case? We borrow a 2, not a 10, a 2 from the number to the left of this number. Okay, so which number is to the left? There is a 1. So when we cancel, we're going to borrow a 2, and this will become 0. So we are going to have 2 minus 1, which is 1. So since this is a 0, it's going to be 0 minus 0, it is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So there is no need of writing the 2 zeros here. Then we divide 101 into 1. So what is 101 into 1? It cannot go in there. So what we do, we bring down a 1 like so, and it becomes 1 1. Then we ask ourselves a question: what is 101 into 1 1? It can also not go in there. So what should we do after we bring down a 1 and still this number can not go into that number? We add a 0 on top of that number that we dropped down like so. Now it's going to be 0. So what is 0 times 101? It's going to be 0. So we indicate a 0 below like so. Then we subtract. Then we say 1 1 minus 0. It's going to be 1 1. So we write 1 1. So what is 101 into 1 1? 101 into 1 1, it cannot go in there. So what should we do? We bring down a 1 like so, and it becomes 1 1 1. So 101 can go in there how many times? 1 time. So we write a 1 like so. So now after writing a 1, we multiply. What is 1 times 101? It's going to be 101. Then we subtract. As you can see, this is just a repetition. What is 111 minus 101? So what is 1 minus 1? It's going to be what? A 0. What is 1 minus 0? It's going to be 1. What is 1 minus 1? It's going to be a 0. So there's no need of indicating a 1 there. Then we do this. What is 101 into 10? It cannot go in there because this is a small number. So what should we do? We bring down a 1 like so all the way down, and it becomes 101. Then we ask ourselves a question: what is 101 into 101? It goes in there 1 time. So we write 1 by indicating there. Then we multiply. What is 1 times 101? It's going to be 101. Then we subtract. What is 101 minus 101? It's going to be a 0. Therefore, my friend, when we reach to that conclusion by having a 0 as the difference, we are going to end our operation there. And therefore, the answer, my friends, to this question is 1011 base 2. So that's the answer for this question. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and ultimately hope you have a pleasant day.